So short and sharp in terms of the analysis on the pound dollar and the euro pound. What I also want to touch on a little bit here is that, we do this currency call every day. We've gone past 365 now already. This is one of the avenues of support that we give you as a retail trader or investor, that little bit of insight or the daily updates of what could happen in the markets, what I'm actually looking at, what I'm planning in terms of my own trades. But if you do need that additional help, if you are trading actively on your own, or if you're looking to get started, it's not just about learning how to trade. Right? We've got all the course materials online. It's on YouTube now. It's free to watch. Everything that I used to charge thousands of dollars for, it's all up for free right now. I don't know why I'm doing that, but it's all up for free right now on YouTube. But it's not just about that course. It's about the ongoing learning, the ongoing support. You don't want to trade alone. You don't want to just have to figure things out alone. You want that community. You want that support. You want to be able to ask questions and have it answered, not by people on a forum who have no interest in whatever you do. You want people to answer it who actually know what they're doing, who are actually trading it, who are actually actively watching the markets. So if that is what you need, this is what you need to get onto. What we have here is the EchoFin platform with our own personal club with all the members here. So this is where you can actually go on, ask questions, right? Not a lot of you ask questions, but if you have questions, you can ask it there. Scott puts up a lot of his analysis there, updates, market updates. If anything happens, we put it up straight away just to give you that insight into what could be happening, just to answer a little bit of questions about what is surprising in the market right now. Right? Sometimes you look at price jumping upwards or scaling downwards and you go, wait, why is it moving? Put it in here, ask the question. We have almost everyone watching it all the time, giving you all the information about why price is moving, giving you that analysis, giving you that feedback onto why price is moving. That actually will give you a lot of information in terms of your own trades. So with that as well, I really feel that this is a one-stop shop where you can use this as your base of trading, because you've got all the news here. You've got the whole calendar. If you don't want to go into Forex Trading Asia, you have all the news here as well, giving you the news items, telling you when it's going to be released, what's going to be released, what's the previous forecasted and actual release. Not just that, you actually have the data flash here as well. And I like this is because the data flash actually prompts you when the news is being released. And what I've actually seen is that data flash releases the news faster than pretty much all the other news sources across the board. So if you want news fast, if you want news to be prompted to you, to be telling you what's going to happen, you need to get onto this. And also in a one-stop shop fashion, straight away, if you get confused about what's happening, what's moving, how is it moving, FX Crosses tells you what is, if you see a lot of green, you see it getting stronger across the board. You see dollar getting stronger across the board. If you see a lot of red, dollar is getting weaker across the board. This is that one view that covers everything in a snapshot. When it comes down to trading, it's a lot about knowing what to do. It's a lot about knowing what to do, when to do. And it's also a lot about asking that question and constantly learning. So if you're not already on the EchoFin platform, make sure you get on board. I'm sure the guys will put up the links, get you on board with EchoFin and the Traders Club.